So the ABC dashboard of the finances section, if you come over here to left on finance and go down to ABC analysis, the point and purpose of this is really to highlight where the bulk of your gross profitability is coming from in your portfolio of products for a particular brand or market. You can select multiple accounts or multiple regions like all features within Sellerise. It's just going to show you here in this overarching view the total profit that's been generated from the portfolio. It's going to look at the average margin, which is the net margin before advertising expense. And then it's going to give you the average ROI. So how much is $1 in turning into ROI profit in your pocket. If you come down here, I'm in privacy mode, so it's blurring this all out, but this will show your actual products. You can show at the product level what the profit generated was, as well as the overall percentage of profit that is delivered to that total profitability for the month. Again, you can select last month if you'd like, or you can select a custom range if you'd like to as well. And then it's going to give a grade. So it's going to group A as your highest profitability ones, your mid-tier ones it will grade as a B, and then it goes down to C here. So you can kind of see, hey, which SKUs are making the most money. The other thing that's, I think, critically important about this analysis is it lets you really focus your attention on where you really want to control inventory. So you may want to have a bit more of a buffer on safety stock for your A SKUs. You may want to run your sales and demand forecasting to figure out what inventory you need to buy a little bit more regularly with your A SKUs. It just helps you understand what in your portfolio of products is making you money. And then obviously if you've got some losers that you may not pick up on a daily basis or unless you do a deeper dive, it's going to show those ones that are really holding your portfolio back that you may even want to clip or reconfigure or reevaluate to make them more profitable. So this gives you, again, dashboard, pulse level data and information to make more informed decisions and to have a better understanding about the financial performance of your Amazon business.